Hi, my VIP. I'm Coach Cooper, your motivational speaker and life teacher. Today we are going to talk about the danger and consequences of masturbation. People don't like to speak about it, but it's very crucial to speak about it. You have people who are in their marital life, but they have issue with their partner because the partner stays so long by himself. Now he's no more in love with the other partner because he was used to using his hand to please himself. We have this issue everywhere. Nobody wants to speak about it. People are hiding in their bathroom to masturbate themselves. You have a danger on it. Yeah, you don't understand or you don't want to know that when you do it, you're calling spiritual wife and spiritual husband in your life. You invite them to be in your life. Anytime you does it in your dream, you see them. Even during the day, you can feel someone around you. That means you have spiritual husband or spiritual wife. The danger on it. All the time you're doing it, you invite them, the spiritual wife or husband, to come to meet you. And do you know that they are jealous? Because they already take your life in possession with them. They don't want to go. And they are so jealous that they don't want you to have a partner. They want you to be alone. Yes. You have many people who are suffering in silence. They don't want to talk. They are ashamed to say it, to share what they are going through. Do you know that the danger of it, you're going to have prostate in there? The loneliness, they are used to be by themselves, that they are used to their hand. Who are you loving, your wife or your hand? Your husband or your hand? This issue, people don't want to talk about it. They are suffering in silence. People are suffering because of masturbation. You need spiritual pastor who's going to help you. Prayer, fasting. You need somebody to help you. It takes time to heal. All these things, rejection, the loneliness, trauma from the past. I'm here for you to help you to heal your wounds, to heal this masturbation that you are suffering. You don't want to talk about it to anybody. Contact my team. We're going to help you. I have another video. I'm going to tell you how men are ashamed to talk about it. But so